Hello, my name is James and this is Adam, and today we're going to show you how to replace a caster on this case. So what you'll need is a drill and a 9/16 socket. So Adam's going to take it away. Fairly simple operation. There's different kinds of casters, and sometimes you'll need a 7/16 socket, sometimes you'll need the 9/16, so this depends on what you have. And when you're tightening these back up, you don't want to go too far, because if you do, you'll bust the rivet nut underneath. So just so the washer's flat, and that's be about right. And there you have it, and that's all you need to do. Okay, again, if you want to, when you're doing this, you want to take these bolts out, put your new caster on there, attach these bolts back, tighten so the washer is flat. You don't want to go too far, and that should do it for you.